Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. Before we start, I want to mention that I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The project we're going to talk about today is called Larva Lords. Now, this is their main website, and obviously, as you can see from it, this is a pixel-related NFT that's coming out. Now, personally speaking, if you're researching or looking into investing in a NFT, some of them are quite expensive and some of them are actually growing as time is evolving. So obviously looking at a particular NFT that has potential in the future is something that an initial investor should keep in mind. So if you're looking to buy an NFT that has potential, I feel this particular Larva Lord is something that you should really look at. And I really love their welcome message. They're quite concise and to the point. They say, join the world of 5,432 Larva Lord apes and witness that they will evolve. We took inspiration from the world of larva, lads, and bored apes and merged both concepts together to make the Larva Lord come to life. And they want to conquer all. They're lords after all. There's no roadmap here. We love our art and we believe in it. So we want to keep it simple. Our Larva Lords will evolve into full-grown entities and our holders will receive one of them for free by holding 2 or more Larva Lords. Whoever is lucky enough to mint King Larva will receive 1 Ethereum. We're not going to stop there. There will be an additional 6 more prizes for a combined total of 3 Ethereum because that's how we roll. I really love how they have brought that humor into it, and the way they have developed their pixel related NFTs is absolutely brilliant, meaning they have covered every single aspect. And join the evolution and wipe with us. The moon is the limit. Mint one of the legendary Larva Lords below and claim your prize. For more information, follow us on Twitter and Discord. Now this is very important. You have to follow every single NFT you're interested in on their Twitter and their Discord, because that is where the main information is going to be. And you can connect your wallet from here. And if you go to connect wallet, you can connect it to the MetaMask. That's where your main wallet is going to be. And obviously the procedure and everything, that is something I'm not going to go into right now. So the main thing you got to keep in mind when you're looking at this particular NFT is the fact that the diversity that they have, like you have the King Larva for 1 Ethereum, your Alien Larva for 0.7 Ethereum, your Joker Larva for 0.75 Ethereum, your Naruto Larva for 0.5 Ethereum, your Ricky Larva for 0.3, and your Mario, which I absolutely love personally, 0.25 Ethereum. So obviously the variation from the price can be seen, and obviously if you understand the development of what Larva is, you will understand how much potential this particular NFT is going to have. So this is something you guys really need to keep in mind when you're thinking about investing in a Larva. But the best thing I love about them is the fact that they are investing not just in the NFT, but in the individuals are actually who are buying those particular NFTs. The developers behind Larva Lords obviously are going to take care of their buyers as well, their clients as well, the people that are investing in the NFTs, and obviously they will be giving away some Ethereum to lucky winners. And as those Larva as well, as the holders will get the evolution of the Larva Lord at the price, and it's going to be 0.008 Ethereum. So that is something you really should look out for. So basically, I'm going to look at some of the frequently asked questions. What is Larva Lord? The Larva Lord is an NFT collection of 5,432 pixel larvas generated algorithmically out of 200 plus hand-drawn attributes. So obviously each one of them is unique on its own. And what are the benefits of owning a Larva Lord? Or other than owning a really cool digital asset, minting a single Larva Lord will give you a chance to win our prize in Ethereum. Moreover, if you mint 2 or more Larva Lords, you will be eligible to mint a free evolved larva from a new collection we will be launching soon after the launch of this project. So obviously this is something that they've really planned out, and this is something that they're looking forward to expanding. And obviously the blockchain that they're working on is Ethereum blockchain ERC721 token. So obviously if you're planning to buy it, you'll be buying it on the Ethereum blockchain. And when is the launch? Lord Larva will be launching in a few days. We're planning to host a stealth launch, so keep an eye out on our Twitter account so you don't miss out on this opportunity, which I'm going to show you in a second. And how much will it cost to mint a Larva Lord? The price is not determined yet. It will be announced together with the launch date. One thing is for sure, the price will be affordable for all buyers, and I absolutely love this approach to this particular NFT, because they're not bringing it out so expensive that they're making it affordable to anyone that is interested in investing in a particular project that has potentials to grow and become one of the leading NFTs in the market. Now, where can I mint a Larva Lord? You will be able to mint your Larva directly from our website during the public sale. Now, obviously, for all this information, you got to make sure that you go to their Twitter, and obviously going to the Twitter, just click on this particular link over here with the Twitter. It's going to open up, and this is their Twitter account. And the Twitter account obviously is something quite new. They have 349 followers. They have 281 followings. They're joined in January 2022, and I'm going to follow them right now and increase their number to 350. So I am the lucky 350th follower that they got. Now, obviously, their messages are something that you need to keep an eye for. Their tweets are something that you need to keep an eye out for. Their information that they're providing right now on the Twitter account is very, very important. They're telling you what to look out for, how much it's going to be. So like this particular Larva Lord is going to be, look at this awesome NFT, a legendary Larva Lord. You will be able to mint it and own it shortly after Ethereum. And guess what? If you happen to mint this bad boy, you will receive a prize of 0.25 Ethereum. So obviously they're investing and reinvesting back into the individuals, their NFT holders. So this is something very important from a business perspective that you need to keep in mind when you select a particular NFT to actually invest in. Now, I really love the fact that the way they've developed it, they're giving it a really retro style pixel to it, and they've covered so many different ideas and different characters. That is absolutely brilliant. And this particular meme that they've made before buying a Larva Lord, after buying a Larva Lord, the difference between them, that you are actually, developed quite sophisticatedly over after you get into this particular NFT in your account. Now, obviously, coming back to their website, the main thing I'm gonna leave and finish this video on is the fact that go check the video out. If you have any comments whatsoever, you can comment in the section below. And obviously, please always invest in an NFT after you go through their background of that particular developers. You understand that what the NFT is about, who these people are, and only then actually invest in NFT. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and stay tuned for our next video. Take care.